Let's learn how to create a vacuum using a glass and candle. Take an empty plate. Place the candle on it. Pour colored water onto the plate. Now light the candle using the lighter. Now place your glass on top of the candle. Wow! See, the water started rising up inside the glass instantly. Moreover, the heat from the candle starts to create a vacuum inside the glass. The liquid forms an airtight seal around the edge and the vacuum inside sucks the liquid into the glass. Let's learn how to inflate a balloon using baking soda and vinegar. Take an empty bottle. Now put the funnel on the bottle head. Now carefully pour the vinegar into the bottle. Take a balloon. Place another funnel over the mouth of balloon. Now add some amount of baking soda and remove the funnel. Then carefully fit the balloon over the bottle opening and be careful not to drop baking soda into vinegar yet. Wow! See the reaction and balloon inflating automatically. Moreover, when baking soda and vinegar reacts, it releases carbon dioxide. The gas leaves the liquid mixture and expands throughout the bottle and the balloon, inflating it. Let's make an erupting volcano for the science fair. Take an empty cardboard box. Place an empty bottle in the middle of the box. Fix the bottle with glue so that it doesn't move. Now place a funnel over the bottle neck. Add baking soda into the bottle over the funnel. Now scrunch up some newspaper around the bottle with just head being open. Make a masking tape frame around the newspaper. Now place the clay around the newspaper to give a look like a volcano mountain. Take some vinegar in a flask. Add food coloring into the vinegar. Pour the vinegar into the opening of the volcanic mountain. Eruption time. See the volcano erupting lava. Morlez, a chemical reaction between vinegar and baking soda creates a gas called carbon dioxide. There is not enough room in the bottle for the gas to spread out, so it leaves through the opening very quickly, causing an eruption. Let's make an electromagnet using a simple battery. Take an iron nail. Take a copper wire and wrap it around the nail in a spiral pattern, leaving two lengths of wire on either end. Now line up the two ends of copper wire with a battery. Now place some metal objects on the table. Move the nail near the metal objects. Now try to remove the battery connection and see what happens. You can see that now no more nail is magnetic. Morlez, the electricity flowing through the copper wire has passed into the iron nail, making it magnetic. Let's build a simple electromagnetic train. Take a lengthy copper wire coil. Now take an AA battery. Now place 3 neodymium magnets on either side of the battery so that they stick to the battery. Now insert this battery from right end of the coil. Wow! You see an electromagnetic train that just passed through this coil. Let's do it again. You will notice that the train will only run in one direction because of the magnetic poles. Morlez, when you put the battery and magnet inside the copper coil, it causes electrical current to flow through the copper wire, creating a magnetic field in the section of the coil around the battery. This magnetic field has its own north and south poles which push the train along the track.